This is Uzma. I am a commerce lecturer. My question is, Islam has no provision for maintenance for divorced women, ma'am. Please can you explain?
Walaikum assalam. Sister, as per the question, that Islam has no provision for the maintenance of the divorced women. Sister, again, this is one of the misconceptions. Because as I have already stated in my talk under the legal rights, that the maintenance of the women, that is compulsorily to be undertaken by a man throughout her life. And I have listed the various aspects of the woman. If she is an infant, the responsibility, financial responsibility, and even all other responsibilities of the child, female child, that will be on the father. If she is not having a father, then the responsibility on brothers. And if the brothers, they are too young, then the responsibility on the paternal grandfather and uncles. If she is married, then the responsibility on the husband. If she is a widow, the responsibility on the sons. Coming to your question, if she is a divorcee, there is no maintenance, as you said. Alhamdulillah, sister, Islam gives maintenance even to the divorced women. How? If a woman, she gets divorced, and when she is having that, she waits for the 3 menstruations in the same husband's house, within the waiting period, the responsibility is on the same husband who divorces her. Within the waiting period. After the waiting period, the girl, she has to return to the parents' house, and the responsibility will be fulfilled by the parents, sons or the brothers, whoever she is having. And in the case she gets married to another person after the waiting period is completed, then the responsibility is on that person to whom she gets married. And even if she is having no one after she gets divorced, then if she is in an Islamic country, then the Islamic government, that will be responsible for the financial caretaking of the girl. And if it is not an Islamic country like India, where Quran is not the law of the land, then the remaining people of the Muslim community, they will be responsible for the maintenance of the girl. So Alhamdulillah, sister, nowhere throughout the life of a woman, through any phase of a woman, she is not independent. She is dependent on the men for her financial needs. She need not be dependent on herself. She needs to go out and strive for her own. If she wants to do a job, Alhamdulillah. But financially, she is supported by a man in every phase of her life. I hope I answered that question.